Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be sublimating our own custom keycaps. Okay, if you haven't seen my previous customization videos, custom keycap videos for my mechanical keyboard, feel free to check out the link above. And here, what you're going to need is some images. I've prepared some images here on my computer using my sublimation printer with sublimation ink on sublimation paper. All the products I use for sublimation will be in the description box down below, as well as a link to my sublimation playlist if you haven't seen any of those yet. So yeah, today we're going to be trying to sublimate onto keycaps. These are PBT keycaps. They're a little bit stronger, they're more heat resistant than ABS, and these are the Cherry MX profile. Cherry MX stems, I guess, with the OEM profile. Okay, so you're gonna need a blank keycap. I have a whole keyboard full of blank keycaps that I need to customize. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. And my baby is joining me. He's sitting right next to me eating some pea crackers and drinking his milk. So if you hear any squeaking or noises or anything, it's him. He always supervises my projects. Anyways, back to what we need. You're going to need a silicone mat. This is just a little silicone mat that I got for like a little rice mold to cut the seaweed. Like there was a little thing for a little seaweed cutter and you put on the silicone mat and cut it. I cut the mat to make two other pieces, a square piece and a little rectangle piece. So the rectangle piece is going to go into this crevice, the keycap crevice, because it's the top of the keycaps are not flat. There is an indent, if you can see right here, for your finger. So in order to hopefully get even pressure, I'm going to put this onto the keycap first and then put the silicone mat on top. And then when we press, we're gonna do that. So I've seen one video where they use like a flat iron to sublimate on there, and that didn't work out for me. I'm not sure if I posted that video or if I decided not to because it was such an epic fail, but if I did, I'll put the link up here for you to check it out. So I'm gonna try this method. I have actually attempted it once and it actually worked, but it wasn't a super clean print. So here we go. I did a sushi print here and it's doable, except that it looks a little bit faded. I'm not sure if it's because of my finger rubbing on it, since professional custom keycaps are laser etched before sublimating, which I don't have a laser, so I don't know why. I don't know why sublimation would actually rub off. It shouldn't technically, but it is possible. So I'm gonna test it out again and just see if maybe it was because I moved the press while I was doing the sublimation, but we'll see. Let me just pop this keycap back in really quick. Anyways, back to this. So I have two pieces of silicone. I have my silicone mat, have my pressing pad, my Cricut Easy Press 2. I have a keycap puller to remove my keys from the keyboard, and scissors to cut my transfer. I also have heat tape off to the side here in case I need it, but I guess I'll try it with heat tape and see if the image is a little clearer. So right now I'm just going to cut into my image, and I'm gonna have to zoom in because I can't see, and these images are very tiny. So let me cut into this, and then there we go. So here is my image. What was that? What happened to my voice? I don't know. Here's my image. And I'm just gonna cut a little bit closer and just trim off a little bit without cutting the image. That way I know where to place it.
And people into your wagon too.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, that looks a little too close.
Hi.
Okay. These images are tight. Okay. So now that I have that done, just move the scraps off to the side and make sure your keycap is facing the right way. So I learned that the straight, like bigger side is supposed to face towards you, and the shorter, curved side faces away. So I'm gonna place my image, make sure it's the right way, keep right here into the middle. And hopefully that's straight, can't really tell, but it's okay. And should I tape this down? I probably should, though I'm not sure if it will affect the transfer of the heat. You know what? And taping down is so tedious. Since I have so many keys to do, I'm gonna try it without tape first and see if that works. Okay, so put this here onto the mat. I'm gonna just clear off my mat really quick. Okay. So I'm going to double check my image because I do not want to put it backwards. Okay, that's the right size. If it's a little crooked or whatever, it's okay. These are just for me. I'm going to take my, oops, where's the other piece? My little piece here and place it on top. I kind of need to zoom in a bit more. Okay, place it on top without moving my image, please. Oh, oh, it totally fell off. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, place that on, place this on. I wonder if I should be putting a butcher paper in there. Probably, but let's just see if this works first. I'm gonna zoom out and I'm gonna get my Cricut Easy Press. My press is set at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Just want to make sure everything is on here correctly. Okay, I'm gonna take my giant press and just press this down. Push for 60 seconds. I'll be back with the results. Okay, 60 seconds is up. Let's zoom in and let's see how this came out. Ooh, it's really hot. Be careful. Just move this off to the side. It doesn't look like it worked. Why didn't it work this time? Very faint. That's a fail. Here's the transfer. Not enough pressure. Let's see. I don't think I can duplicate it in the same spot. Should I try to press it again? Well, that didn't turn out very well, did it? I did actually wipe down the top of the keycap with some alcohol. I don't know if that would affect it. I would think it would help it to keep it dust-free and clean. But here's the original image. Maybe I need to add more pressure. I'm just gonna put this back on. And if it's not exact, which it probably won't be, it's okay. I'm just going to, it'll just look like the ninja was in the midst of moving. But yeah, I'm going to put this back on here. Actually, I'm not even going to try to match it. I'm going to try this again. Let's try this again. And just move this over. Okay, I'm gonna try this way. I'm gonna put this one on top, the big one on top, and then the small one in the middle, and try to guesstimate where the curve is. And maybe that will work this time. We'll see. So I have the smaller piece on the top this time. I thought it would work better the other way, but let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put the Cricut Easy Press on and I'll be back to show you the results. Okay, this is the second press attempt, this time with the small silicone mat on the top. Let's take a look. It's hot. No, it didn't work. Like, it kind of put more pressure here, but the main pressure point is just not working.
I get some juice more.
Okay.
Some more juice.
All right, baby.
More, please, Mommy.
All right, baby. All right, we're just gonna try this a third time and see if I can get at least a darker print. And like, do you see? Let's see if I rub this. Will it rub off? Does it look like it's fading? I don't know. Strange. How did I get it to work the first time? Okay, we'll try again. Okay, attempt number 4. This time I'm just going to use the small rectangle piece in the middle like that. And let's see if this works. I'm going to press it. I'll be right back. Okay, let's see if this one worked. Whew, whew. All right, it finally worked. All right, so I guess that's the trick. It's crooked and there's ghosting in the back from the previous attempts, but it worked. So, and the placement's wrong, but yeah. Okay, so at least now I know how to do it. I guess all you need is 1 rectangle piece. 2, I think the silicone's too thick and won't let the heat through. So just 1 rectangle piece worked a lot better. Let's zoom in, see if it's, oh, don't move please. Okay, all right, cool. I'm gonna cut out another image here. Let's try peach on. Some other sushi there. Let's try my pug. Okay, let's see if this one worked. Ah! I was like, what? Ooh, kind of stuck. Oh, cute. Oh, I smudged it. Let me see. Evan, stop moving.
I'm wanting to
There's a little smudge down here, but overall pretty clear. Not bad, not bad. here's the final results. Let me just zoom
We're going
in.
to make our real ninja.
And there were quite a bit of mistakes, quite a bit, especially this one, quite a bit of placement issues because I didn't use the heat tape right away. And then I was like, oh, I keep messing up, I should use the heat tape. So these bottom few ones look better because I actually use the heat tape. Well, except for this ramen one. I didn't use heat tape on that, obviously, but it's kind of cool how it's like tilted to the side and even printed on the side of the keycap. That's pretty cool. I think my favorite would be the boba and the egg, lazy egg, and maybe the french fry, though the french fry is a little off center, but you know, it's okay. For my first round of keycaps, it's not too bad. Like this one was probably my most disappointing one after the first few of figuring out how to do it, because this is my baby Nala silhouette and it totally messed up. I'm gonna figure out a way to fix that somehow. I wonder if I use like acetone, if it will take it off. But that's for another video. We'll find out. Okay, make sure you subscribe, ring the notification bell. Leave a comment down below of what you think about these keycaps and if you're going to try it or if you would. And thumbs up this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I do